Bonjour et bienvenue à French learning classes. So in this video, I will teach you la négation. Okay, that means how to make a simple negative sentences in French language. Okay, so we have a formula ne plus verb plus pas. Okay, we have a formula ne plus verb plus pas. Okay, this is a formula to create a negative sentence. Okay, from positive to negative sentence. So first of all we search a verb in the sentence and then we add ne before the verb and pas after the verb. Okay, before the verb we add ne and after the verb we add pas. Okay, so ne plus verb plus pas. This is the formula, and to create a negative sentence you can easily put up this formula into the sentence. Okay, so now let's see example. Example number 1, je comprends l'espagnol. Okay, je comprends l'espagnol, that means I understand. Comprend means understand, to understand. Okay, I understand Spanish. Okay, so if we make this sentence positive to negative, then we just add, look, we write je, okay, as it is, and this is the verb. Okay, comprend, this is the verb. So before the verb we add ne and write verb comprend, and after the verb we add pas. Okay, and the object l'espagnol. Okay, the object. So je comprends l'espagnol, and in the negative je ne comprends pas l'espagnol. Okay, I do not understand Spanish. I do not understand Spanish. Okay, so ne and pas. Ne is used before and pas is used after the verb. Understand? So now we move to the second example, which is j'aime ce film. Okay, j'aime ce film. That means I like the film. Yeah, I like this film. Okay, so this is a positive sentence, and how we make it negative? First of all we write je, ठीक है, apostrophe, j with apostrophe, and here in this sentence the verb is aimer, okay, which means to like. The verb is aimer. So we add ne before the verb becomes an apostrophe. So this becomes je name. After the verb we add pas for negative, ce film, and then finally object as it is. Okay, so normally we use this formula ne plus verb plus pas to make it negative. Okay, and if our verb is starting with vowel, okay, then ne becomes an apostrophe plus voyelle plus pas. Okay, if the verb starts with the vowel, then we drop e from ne and add apostrophe, an apostrophe plus voyelle plus pas. Okay, so in this sentence the verb aimer starts with a, and a is a vowel, so we write je, okay, and an apostrophe, okay, as per this formula, an apostrophe aim, and after the verb we add pas according to this, and after finally the object. Je n'aime pas ce film. I do not like, yeah, I don't like that film. Okay, so there are some important rules, okay, to form a negative sentence. So important rules. Rule number 1, indefinite article, okay, indefinite article which is a or in, and partitive article, okay, which are du, dala or de, after a negative articles, these articles become the or the apostrophe. Okay, that means if we have indefinite article in the sentence and we just make we just create or make it negative sentence, then we remove these indefinite article or partitive article, and these article becomes the and the apostrophe in the negative sentence. Okay, so now we see with example. So first example, j'ai des livres. Okay, that means I have some books. Okay, I have some books. So here, what is the verb? Avoir. Okay, je. First of all, we write je, then avoir. So before the avoir, we add an, and because verb starts from a with vowel, so we drop e and add apostrophe, and after verb, and then pas. Okay, je n'ai pas and they. So according to this rule, we remove they, and they becomes the or the apostrophe. So the apostrophe applied before the vowel. So here livre is not starting with a vowel, so that's why we add the. Okay, so they become the livre in the negative sentence. So this rules followed in this sentence. Okay, j'ai des livres, I have some books, and je n'ai pas de livre, I do not have any book. Okay, and afterward the second example is elle boit du thé au petit déjeuner. Okay, that means she drink. Boit is a verb. Okay, boit is a verb here, which means to drink. So she drink some, thé means tea, in the petit déjeuner, that means in the breakfast. So she drink some tea in the breakfast. So how we make it negative? We make it negative by elle first. Okay, elle we write as it is. After that, this is the verb here. Okay, in this sentence verb is boit. So we add ne before the verb. Elle ne, then verb boit. Okay, then after pas. Okay, according to the ne plus verb plus pas, elle ne boit pas, and then this is due. Due is partitive article. Okay, so according to this rule is applied in this sentence. So according to this rule, due is removed and become the, because te is not starting with a vowel. Okay, so that's why the due becomes the here, the, te, au, and petit déjeuner. Okay, object as it is. So elle boit du thé au petit déjeuner, she drinks some tea in the breakfast. So negative is elle ne boit pas de thé au petit déjeuner, that means she do not drink any tea in the breakfast. Okay, so I hope you understand well this rule. Okay, so now we move to the second important rule. Second rule is, in the être verb the articles do not change. Okay, if in the sentence the verb is être, then any article, the article do not change. ठीक है, तो कोई भी article change नहीं होगा. So now we see first example, je suis riche. Okay, je suis riche, which means I am rich. So suis is être verb. Okay, suis is être verb. So how we make it negative? Je suis riche, that means I am rich. So in the negative, I am not rich. So, je ne suis pas riche. Okay, je ne suis pas riche. So je suis riche and negative, je ne suis pas riche. Okay, I am rich and I am not rich. So same as the before, we put up the formula here in this sentence. Before the verb we add ne, and after the verb we add pas. Je ne suis pas riche. Okay, now this rule is applied in this sentence. Okay, see how. C'est possible de manger. Okay, c'est possible de manger, that means it is possible to eat. Manger means to eat. It is possible to eat. So in the negative, how we make it negative? Negative is it is not possible to eat. Simple. Okay, as in English, it is not possible to eat. So here the articles do not change. In this sentence, what is the article? Article is the. Okay, article is the, which is positive article. So it is not changed in this sentence because in this sentence the verb is être. Okay, according to this rule, we do not change any article in this sentence. So this sentence negative is ce n'est pas possible de manger. Okay, I hope it is visible. So ce n'est pas possible de manger. Ce, ठीक है, and verb is a, that means être. So we add an apostrophe because a is start with a vowel. So ce n'est pas after the verb pas possible de manger. The is not changed in this sentence because this rule is applied in this sentence, which means in the être verb the articles do not change. Okay, so I hope this rule is also clear. So now we move to the third point. Okay, third rule, which is definite articles. Okay, definite articles are le, la, le. ठीक है, definite articles कौन से होते हैं? ल, ला, ले. So definite articles are not changed in any negative form. When we make any sentence from positive to negative, and in this sentence if we have definite articles, so definite articles are not changed in the negative form. ठीक है, in any negative form. So we see with the example. Example number 1. J'aime le chocolat. Okay, j'aime le chocolat. That means I like chocolates. Okay, I like chocolates. So in this sentence we have le. Le is definite article. So definite articles do not change in negative sentence. Okay, so now we make it negative. Je, ठीक है, name, because verb is aim, ठीक है, aimer, and before the verb we add an, and here is the vowel, that's why we drop e and add apostrophe. Je name, and after the verb we add pas, le chocolat. We do not have any change in le because this form, this rule is applied in this sentence. Je n'aime pas le chocolat. Okay, and second example, je parle la langue allemand. Okay, je parle la langue allemand, that means I speak the German. ठीक है, I speak the language German or the German language. ठीक है, so how we make it negative? Je ne, here parle, that means parle means to speak. Okay, parle is a verb to speak. So before verb we add ne, and then parle is verb, and after verb we add pas in negative. ठीक है, je ne parle pas. Now we have le is a definite article. So definite article do not change in any negative form. Okay, je ne parle pas la, so it write as it is, la langue allemand. ठीक है, allemand. Je ne parle pas la langue allemand, that means I do not speak German language. ठीक है, so we do not change le, la, le. Okay, that means definite articles in the negative form. So this was your chapter of negation. Okay, in this chapter we had learned how to make sentences from positive to negative. Okay, so if you have any doubt, any problem related to these rules, this lesson, okay, you can ask me in the comment section. And this is not least negative, I mean la négation is vast chapter, so we will discuss more about this chapter in further videos. Okay, so till then, keep learning and remember the rules of negation and do practice of negative sentences. Okay, and merci beaucoup. Au revoir.